All right, so RTO is happening, right? Like it's spreading. Lots of companies are going back to it and forcing their employees to come back into the office. Not all companies, but most companies are. Now, I'm going to share with you a story of something that I feel would have only happened due to RTO. And again, this isn't me saying I'm pro RTO or anything like that. This is just me kind of sharing. If you guys have watched my previous videos, I actually enjoy the hybrid approach to working in the office. I like having the option of being remote and then also having days where the employees all go into the office together to work together. So we're working and our online service was down, okay? And it was frustrating because the game mode that I work on needs online. Like without online, like I'm screwed, right? And so, a bunch of us on our team we went for a cup of coffee together at a coffee station in office, and I was just expressing some of my frustrations with that. Funny enough, someone that I had played hockey with in the past, we were on the same team together. He passes by, we were just saying hi, and he just had overheard. The funny thing is I didn't even realize he was part of the online engineering team. And he was unaware that we were having issues with the online service. And so, I explained to him what was going on and stuff like that. And then he said, that's really odd. Like, I haven't been pinged anywhere. No one has brought this to my attention. Let me go back and take a look. So he goes back 30 minutes later. He sends me a message on Slack. And he's just like, hey, notice that this is actually happening today. And here, it seems like here are some workarounds. And I had told him that like I tried a lot of the workarounds that were mentioned and it wasn't working. So he actually came over to my desk like in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes after chatting on Slack. Comes over to my desk and he shows me a workaround on how to pretty much restart my online services so that way I can start to like test my work. And it wasn't just me having this issue. I had a few others on my team and other teams who rely on online were having the same issue. And so he comes over, shows me this workaround, and everything works, right? And then so I went and I started spreading the knowledge, started sharing that with others at the studio on how to do the workaround. And honestly, I don't think that would have happened just online. If we were fully remote, I think that issue would have continued for many of us until the very next day or even like 2 days, because someone actually came to my desk, saw that our setup was slightly different than their other teams that were also seeing issues, but we're seeing different issues, not the exact same issues, but similar issues that just needed a slight tweak to the solution. And so I remember during like RTO emails and stuff like that, leadership and stuff kept using this word called kinetic energy. And it's just funny that when that moment happened, when I experienced what happened that day, I realized that there are some pros to returning back to office, and it's the accidental or even the collaboration in person that you just don't get over Slack or online, right? Like you're just not going to get the same. Again, this isn't me saying that I think RTO should be mandatory. This is just me sharing an experience that I had very recently that I just wanted to share with all of you. All right, well, take care.